It's very common to start thinking about a solution or design without really taking enough time to understand the problem or evaluate if all team members understand the problem the same way. Framing challenges or problems is a tool used in design thinking to effectively consider the problem before focusing on a solution. This ensures you can articulate and fully understand the problem you are trying to solve, thus ensuring you are building the right solution. Additionally, this tool is important for bringing everyone together and ensuring all stakeholders have a common understanding of the problem. Using this tool is simple. You start by answering these questions. First, define the problem. Try to keep it short and memorable. Then turn that challenge into a question, such as how might we reduce waiting times in an emergency room. Next, continue the process to understand constraints and barriers, and finally, redefine the problem while considering the desired outcome and constraints. You can do this collaboratively with your team or individually. If you are working with your team, invite them to the session. Then, at the end, add the final definition of the problem to the conclusion section. Use this tool or any other tool from our library, and Nova will guide you through the process.